every stride a new story written just for me.
Ready to get started for another sunny day?
Today the weather forecast looks bleak, so we have to get out our ponchos. There is a lot of wind, so using our umbrellas is out of the question. Valença is a border town and has a centuries-old fortress that has withstood attacks from both Spanish and French troops. Originally built in the 13th century, it was rebuilt in the 17th century into a star-shaped fortress in the Vauban style. This type of military fortification was developed by the French military engineer Sébastien de Vauban. Characterized by their distinctive star-shaped design, these fortifications were built to improve defenses against artillery attacks and siege warfare, and can be found throughout Europe and beyond. Today we also say goodbye to Portugal as we cross the metal bridge over the Minho River, the natural border between Spain and Portugal. Don't forget to change your clocks as Spain is 1 hour ahead of Portugal. As soon as we reached the impressive Cathedral of Tui, the weather went haywire. It started pouring. This could be a long, long day.
Beautiful Spain, always sunshine.
After a mixture of country roads and long stretches of tarmac and torrential rain, we finally reached the Bridge of Fevers. According to legend, this is where San Telmo, the patron saint of Tui, came down with a sudden fever on his way to Santiago and died soon after. We did not catch a fever, but the bridge was flooded due to the massive rainfall. Fortunately, our fellow pilgrims were there to help each other across the tricky, improvised crossing.
Little bit of flooding.
We slowly make our way through the soaked, flooded but beautiful countryside until we reach the junction at Orbenal. Normally we would suggest taking the Camino Complementario to the left, as it runs through lush green countryside, but due to the rain there was a lot of flooding and we were forced to go straight ahead to take the original route. This original Camino runs through the ugly, busy industrial estate outside O Porrino. If the weather is fine, we strongly recommend choosing the alternative route, as the long, straight stretch through the industrial area is no fun at all. After a well-deserved lunch, we finally reach our destination for the day. Although it has been a difficult day and the Camino has put us to the test, we are still in good spirits. The fact that we have reached our destination in such harsh conditions makes us proud and strengthens our belief that we can make it to the end. Time for a long hot shower and some rest. See you tomorrow for another, likely rainy, walking day.